Welcome to 10 Foxcroft Road. There's an entry, mudroom, laundry. The bungalow home has 2 bathrooms. The upstairs bath has a hookup for laundry too. The home, with a quick occupancy, is a lot bigger than she looks from the outside. You're on the edge of town, yet you can walk to the park, to the high school. The formal dining area extends from the kitchen. That opens to the den. It spills into the living room. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate channel. This is a new listing. Here's looking the other way. There's a closet in this living room. First floor bedroom and bath, no problem. Don't have to tell you what this room is. Right across the hall, from the full bath with tub and shower, is a bedroom that has a closet at the foot of the stairs for the second floor. That's the first floor on this vinyl-sided bungalow on the Foxcroft Road. Let's check out the second floor, where there's another bathroom, 2 more bedrooms, and a little office alcove, or make it into a closet. It's extra space before you head down the hall. Bedroom number 2, the first one on the second floor. It, too, is right across from a bathroom. Hookups for another laundry. I don't know why you'd need 2, but if you want it upstairs, you can go that route. There's an oversized shower, the sit-down kind. An extremely deep closet is what you'll find in this side-to-side, almost 24-foot long bedroom. You have a little bit of a sloped eave, kind of interferes with that 24 feet, but it's still a generous size, side-to-side. Well, what do you think? It's pretty affordable. If you go down into the drop down, you can learn a lot more about this property and also information about the area in case you're new to these parts. The price, the contact information, it's all down below. Please consider liking this video and make a comment. Tell us what you'd do with these certain rooms or what you like about the property. The questions you ask help others wondering the same thing. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate channel. We hope you'll consider subscribing to it so you learn of new properties as soon as they come up.